Hello everyone. My name is Ananya Chaudhary, currently pursuing BTech in Cloud Technology and Information Security from Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University, Pune. Today in this video presentation, I'm going to show you a glimpse about my project, that is the cloud-based information using chatbot. In today's PPT, the contents are introduction, working of project, DFD of project, hardware and software requirements, project, screenshots, conclusion, and references. Firstly, we have to know what do you mean by chatbot? A chatbot is a smart query information management system powered by machine learning. Its objective is to resolve the general queries of students and parents along with maintaining the records of the query, also with their relevance rate. Relevance rate is a metric which is calculated as per the user's responses that whether the answers generated by the system is valid or not. The system serves two kinds of users, that is the primary and the secondary users. Primary users refers to the parents and students who can log in with their credentials in the system and make a query, whereas the secondary users refers to faculty and admin. Faculty and admin will have complete transparency on what data is present currently in the system and view the queries made over time. Only difference in admin and faculty is admin have write permission to this data and can alter it. The system consists of a React frontend, Flask backend, MySQL server. Different endpoints are exposed at backend to React frontend and return the required response. Backend also consists of a data presented pipeline which is required to process the data before feeding it in the machine learning algorithms which will return the relevant response. Machine learning techniques used in this are cosine similarity. It provides a chatbot like experience along with the user's feedback. This makes the whole process of getting relevant information regarding a specific topic very straightforward with minimal chances of human error. If you talk about the working of project, basically in the chatbot that I made is that a student can log in into the system login panel and easily enter his query, which will be directly sent to the Python Flask backend through a post request made to an endpoint exposed for query processing. Now, this received query will be cleaned and processed to convert the query into a standard format. For example, lemmatized and lower text without punctuations. Then this text is fed to the Livingston distance algorithm which scans the entire questions and answers database for questions with highest similarity score with the query. The answers corresponding to the question with highest score is picked up and returned as response for the request made. Different users on this platform have different rules and privileges. If parents don't have their ID for the school and colleges, they can also log into the SQIM and post their queries, which will be stored in database and resolve their queries as soon as possible and will be added to the SQIM Q&A database to enhance the SQIM knowledge for the future inquiries too. Admin has all over the control of SQIM. After successful login, admin can view the SQIM questions and answers database, list of users, etc. The DFD of the project. As we can see in the diagram, there are two users, that is the secondary and the primary users to this platform. Students are the primary users who can make the queries to the SQIM database, whereas the secondary users are faculty and admin, that they have all the rights and can view the manipulate the whole knowledge base of SQIM. The hardware and the software requirements are the hardware that is used is 2 GM RAM, i3 processor, hard disk, and the software that is used is front end. For front end is React.js, for back end is Flask. The database is used is MySQL, and the languages required are NoSQL, Python, SQL, JSX, JEX. The screenshots of my project is these are the projects of this is the home page, this is the login admin page, these are the programs that I done, and the conclusion is basically the proposed chatbot system helps students with college information access and is very helpful for the parents too. The system not only benefits the student but also the college institution as it helps to reduce the need for excess manpower. The input processing carried out within the system efficiently processes keywords related to college and education. Thus, it makes the implementation of a specialized chatbot for the university. So thank you guys. I hope you like this video and you understand